Well, there is cautious optimism when it comes to the coronavirus outbreak here in Arizona. Today, the Department of Health Services is reporting more than 1,000 new cases, bringing the total to more than 180,000 cases since the pandemic started. There are also 66 new deaths, bringing our statewide total to more than 3,800. Governor Ducey is heading to our nation's capital. He is scheduled to meet with President Trump and members of the White House Coronavirus Task Force. The following day, he'll meet with other governors and health officials to discuss the pandemic. Well, as the spread of coronavirus continues, even at a slightly slower rate, it could push back school reopenings even further. In a statement, State Superintendent Kathy Hoffman says in part, as school leaders, we should prepare our families and teachers for the reality that it is unlikely that any school community will be able to reopen safely for traditional in-person or hybrid instruction by August 17th. This as many kids across the state are now back in class virtually, and as schools wait for state guidance on reopening. That guidance is expected later this week. Well, virtually today is the first day of school for a lot of kids around Arizona. Mesa and Dysart schools are going back to school online today. The school day is just as it would be if students were in class, so attendance will be taken, students will have to follow a schedule, and grading will still happen.